Cases for nearly 2 decades. He was part of a team of attorneys whose work in Los Angeles and San Diego clergy cases led to settlements totaling over $858 million there. We asked Hale, should Pittsburgh Catholics be worried about financial trouble or bankruptcy for the Pittsburgh diocese?
The reality is, I have never been in one of these lawsuits where the insurers were not sitting at the table and contributing significantly to any funds that were either a result of a judgment or a settlement.
Here's what Bishop Zubik said when we asked him about it before the grand jury report was released.
In my own leadership, I take a look at every possible scenario. And, could the bankruptcy piece be a scenario? It could be. I hope it doesn't happen that way. But, we have to continue to respond according to whatever the conditions are as we move forward.
On the issue of whether Pennsylvania's civil statute of limitations should be changed to remove limits on victim lawsuits, here's what Bishop Zubik said in a statement emailed by the diocese in response to our questions today. Quote, "I believe in eliminating both the civil and criminal statute of limitations as long as it is constitutional and applies to every victim, whether the abuse occurred in a public, private, religious, or secular setting."
I think the concern with that statement is it does not acknowledge any kind of retroactivity, which would be what we would find in window legislation that would allow folks whose statute of limitations have already expired to still come forward for that 1 or 2 years